Nestor has unveiled a new air fryer aimed at making everyday cooking more convenient, while adding a more visible and flexible approach to meal preparation. The HomeCook 6.2L glass air fryer combines several design-focused elements that set it apart from conventional air fryers. The HomeCook 6.2L uses Nestor's proprietary SteamLock technology, which is designed to retain moisture during cooking while helping food develop a crisp exterior. A borosilicate glass bowl forms the cooking chamber, allowing users to see the food throughout the cooking process without opening the appliance repeatedly. The glass bowl is also designed to serve multiple purposes after cooking. With its cook-serve-store design, users can take it directly to the dining table and later place it in the refrigerator. An Acacia Wood Lid is included for storage, while side handles provide a more secure way to move the bowl. Nestor has added a 30-second auto-clean function that sprays water inside the appliance to help loosen cooking residue. Priced at 16,999 rupees, the Nestor HomeCook 6.2L glass air fryer is available through Nestor's official website, Amazon, and Flipkart. The air fryer also comes with a 3-year VIP warranty and Pan-India service support, giving buyers longer-term coverage.